Hello guys and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for February 2023 and look how freaking cute it is. It's like those marble, like acrylic paint pouring type things. I love it. It's so cute. And on the back, self-love is the best love. I'm like, oh my god, I love it. And it so goes with the vibe of like that new Miley Cyrus single. Like, I'm just saying. I know I keep tying everything back to it, but I like the little heart chain, or the little, not chain, but zipper pull on it. It's so cute. So in this one, because I have the two, the theme is You Are Loved. Buy yourself flowers. There we go, Miley Cyrus, just saying. Wear a fragrance that makes you smile. Give yourself a compliment for trying that new lip color. Created by designer Dime Jones, this month's bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled because self-love is the best love. And then they have, like, the teaser for the Ipsy BoxyCharm merger that we all know about now. I will do a video trying to, like, break that all down and explain it, because there's still a lot of confusion running around about that, but different video. Oh, good, we do have product info for this bag, so in no particular order, from LAFCO, New York, we have Champagne Body Lotion. Yes, it is in quotes on here, but not on here. So Ipsy just randomly made it awkward for no reason. Okay, whatever. So, this is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $28. This bright, citrus-scented lotion swaddles your skin in nourishment, hydration, and silky smooth softness. Plant extracts, omega fatty acids, and olive and cottonseed oils help to replenish and regenerate the skin, while shea butter and jojoba oil help create a protective moisture barrier. Tip: use on slightly damp skin to lock in the moisture. And that one, I did pop it open to sniff it. It's ginger, grapefruit, and raspberry, and it smells so good. So good. Cannot wait to dip into that one soon. So, then we have from Beauty for Certain. It's their eyeliner pencil in aubergine, and this is full sized, and it's $20, and look at that shade of purple. If it goes on looking like that, I'm going to be a very happy girl. Smoky and defined eyes are easier than ever with the smooth gliding pencil. You'll love the creamy, long-lasting pigments in this deep purple shade with hints of shimmer. Tip: tightline your upper lids by pushing the pigments down into the base of your lashes with a brush. That's actually a good idea. I never thought of using a brush with liner, but that actually is a really good tip for a change. Alright, thank you, Ipsy, for finally being helpful. Then, from Huda Beauty, we have a mini silk balm in blush. So it should be about like that. The full size is $21. Want lips that feel smoother than silk? This sumptuous lip balm is as close as you can get, and it helps keep lips hydrated, plump, and shiny with a subtly sweet hint of honey that helps make your lips even more kissable. Tip: slather this on at night and wake up to a plush pout. As if anyone didn't know that trick, but cool, cool. Love to see it, love to have it. Very nice. Now, next thing. Been a while since we've seen SL Miss Glam pop up, but we have a brush from them. It's the BO5 Heart Angled Blush Brush. This full size for $23. Pink rosy cheeks, meet your maker. This blush brush is the perfect tool to apply a flawless flush every time, thanks to its angled synthetic bristles that hug the apples of your cheeks just right to add a touch of color to your complexion. It builds and blends like a dream too. Tip: use this for all your blushes, whether they're powder cream or liquid form. So this one, can we talk about how cute it is? With little gemstones, this little pink tip on it. Oh, the little hearts all over. I love the aesthetic of their brushes. They are the cutest brushes I own. Like, all the ones that I have from them are just so super stinking cute. And they're so soft. They're like minky soft. I loves it. So, very happy about that. Could have used that earlier instead of wiping out my frickin' beauty blender. But then I would have been mad at ruining this. So no, actually, I'm glad that I didn't, because I would have been really upset if I had ruined that on, like, the first run. And then finally, we have Wing Me Cosmetics Ambitious Eyeshadow Duo in Rose and Crushed. It's a deluxe sample size. The full size is $12. Smooth on these two plush pigments in a pretty berry plum shade and champagne pink shade that blend together flawlessly and are ultra pigmented so that your eyes really pop. Tip, try the lighter shade as a gorgeous highlighter. Well, no shit. So, I am loving the periwinkle, by the way. Almost matches my shirt. Almost. But anyway. Interesting texturing on the top. Oh. Ooh, look at these. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, those are real pretty. I cannot wait to play with those. Those are gonna be nice. Those are coming right over here to be, like, soon introduced in. This side or the other side? I don't know. I'll put them right there for now. So that was in the first bag. And then the other bag. We've got our little Ipsy showdown here. Do we have product info? Yes! Oh my gosh, we actually freaking have product info on both bags. How rare is it that that happens for me, honestly? So the first thing in this one is from Mark Anthony. It's the Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner, and this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $9, which is not bad, actually. Tired of tangles but short on time? No worries. This replenishing leave-in conditioner is all you need. It's fortified with ginseng, vitamin E, and caffeine to help nourish, smooth, detangle, and restore your strands to a soft and shiny state without the weight. Tip, avoid product at your roots if you have oily prone hair. Well, that's me. So, okay, we have that. We have another of the same brush, but again, love to see it. We have, from Unfiltered Beauty Co., who I've never heard of before, the Wake Up Call eyeshadow in Morning Brew. So it's a little quad with these very cute colors in it. This is full-sized, actually, and it's $20. So, let's see here. I felt like I saw a color name somewhere, but maybe I'm tripping. No, it does. Just Cream, Cold Brew, Extra Shot, and Light Ice. I love that. Love that. Anyway, build, blend, and bring out the best of your eyes with this buttery eyeshadow palette that is inspired by your morning latte. You'll love how fresh these shadows stay on all day and night without changing in color or fading, plus they're infused with vitamin E for smoothness and hydration. Tip, place the matte shadows in your crease and shimmers on your lid and brow bone. Well, again, kinda no kidding. I'm wondering with the names if they're like in reverse of how they are in here? Because Just Cream sounds like it would be the white one. But then again, Light Ice would make more sense for that darker one, but I don't know. Just Cream, wouldn't you think it's this one? But it's the first one they mentioned, so you'd think it'd be over here, so I'm very confused. I am very confused. If anybody knows how the color names actually line up in there, please fill me in, because, again, confused. This may be the first time I've ever seen Clinique in Ipsy, or actually, come to think of it, in any of the beauty boxes. But this is a deluxe sample size of the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. A Lotion Plus, okay. Deluxe sample, blah, 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 blah. Full size is $32.50. Now available online and in-store at Ulta Beauty and Target near you. That's the first time I've ever seen that mentioned as well on an Ipsy thing. Transform your dehydrated and stressed out skin from the inside out with help from this cult fave moisturizer. It helps to strengthen your skin's natural moisture barrier by 34% and provides up to 8 hours of hydration without the irritation. Tip, a little goes a long way, so start with a thin layer and then add more if you need it. That sounds good. Sorry, I keep getting distracted with like the really pretty sunset clouds outside. They're like very pink and cotton candy-esque, and I keep looking at them. I don't mean to get distracted while I'm trying to do this. I only have one more product, and then I can go look at the clouds. Anyway, so the last thing in here is Plum Color Affair Nail Polish in Fairy Bloom. Made with avocado oil. Well, they say it's Fairy Bloom, but on here it says it's Be Good, so maybe they sent me the wrong one? Honestly, I don't care that much, but they say Add some magic to your DIY mani with this pixie-inspired pale pink polish flicked with silver glitter. You'll get high color payoff and shine every time, plus it's formulated with a touch of avocado oil and vitamin E for extra nourishment. Tip, rub the bottle between your palms to warm it up before application. I'm not seeing another color name anywhere. I mean, it's still a light pink. Maybe they screwed up on the box. Or maybe all the boxes... It says it at the bottom, Fairy Bloom. I guess all the boxes say be good, and I kind of love that. But, look at it up close. That is really pretty. And ironically, the only nail polish bottle I've ever used up all the way was a little mini like this, and it was a very similar shade of pink. If you guys remember back several years ago when I did that, very similar shade of pink, so I'm like, can I do it again? Should I do it again? Part of me kind of wants to, but anyway. So I think that was the last product in the second bag, so that concludes this video. So anyway, guys, that is it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. Hiccuped. Ooh. Why do I keep getting hiccups during the sign-off? It's so weird. Anyway, I lost my train of thought. The socials are down below. The donation link is down below. It's all good, so see you next time. Bye.